My name is Brenda with Aceable. The process of getting your instruction permit in California can feel super overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Now, let's start with a deep breath and get into the basics. In order to qualify for your permit in California, you must be at least 15 and a half years old, but under 18. You will also need to complete Aceable's California Driver's Ed course, which we have linked below for you. You will need to complete all 10 levels of the course before you're eligible to apply for your permit. Once you've successfully completed the course, we'll be able to mail you the certificate you'll need to kickstart your driver training. Your driver training must consist of at least 6 hours of behind-the-wheel training with a professional driving instructor. Since we are an online driving school, you will need to register with a local driving school to complete your required behind-the-wheel training. Driver training must consist of at least 6 hours of behind-the-wheel training with a professional driving instructor. Since we are an online driving school, you will need to register with the local driving school to complete your required behind-the-wheel training. Now, let's talk paperwork. When you head to the DMV, you'll need a completed California driver's license or identification DL/ID application with your parent or guardian signatures, your birth certificate, original or certified, a valid passport or residency card, temp or permanent, your social security number, proof of residency in California, a $33 application fee, certificate of completion of driver's education, a pink DL 400C, the form Aceable sends you, or proof that you are currently enrolled in driver's ed. Next up, the DMV visit itself. You'll need to pay the application fee and take a vision exam, have your fingerprints taken, as well as a photograph taken, so make sure your picture ready. Then comes the knowledge exam. Aceable does provide unlimited amount of practice tests within your course to help prep for this. Remember, you can't miss more than 8 questions, but if you don't make the cut, no worries. You can retake the knowledge exam after 1 week. Now, let's talk about what you can and can't do with your instruction permit. Your permit isn't valid until you start your driver training. During your practice sessions, you can drive with a licensed parent, guardian, or certified driving instructor. But remember, you can't hit the road solo, not even to the DMV for your driving test. And there you have it. Once you have your permit from the DMV, you're ready to start your in-car driving lessons. So, grab the wheel and start your behind-the-wheel training with a local driving school of your choice. Before you know it, you'll be cruising down the California coast with confidence, thanks to Aceable.